surged and continued on the upward trend for the past 3 to 4 weeks. Some investors, including myself, are curious and want to know whether this price action is sustainable or are we heading towards a bubble? Is this a reality as presented or a high stock price mirage? In this video, I will examine NIO's creative investment and management strategy, current valuation, products and services. And I'm convinced this review will tell us more about NIO's current position vis-a-vis the high stock price and future projections. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and thanks. The company NIO is a global startup, was founded in 2014, 6 years ago, and presently have offices in Asia, US, and Europe. The company creative investment strategy is a key element to its success. Why? Because NIO management believe that creative innovation enables the future of smart, electric, and autonomous vehicles, hence determined to lead the way while others follows. Again, this message was echoed by the CEO, William Li, during the NIO Day in Shanghai in 2019. Meanwhile, the company has delivered 2 competitive production models, EX8 and EX6. And with the third model, EC6 just launched, Li stated that the latest smart SUV car demonstrates and defines not only the creative and stylish appearance, but also inherit the high performance and intelligence of NIO product family. With the largest panoramic sunroof and with 100 kWh battery pack covering 615 kilometers, the creative design enables 0 to 100 acceleration in just 4.7 seconds. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, back to the video. This explains why the CEO maintained that the EC6 is the most elegant, dynamic, and progressive smart electric SUV car. And you will be surprised to hear that NIO SUV are cheaper than Tesla cars. And that expresses why young people love it. It is avoidable. Another remarkable aspect of NIO Auto is the battery swap technology. So, why is this technology relevant in today's auto business environment? Because it is the fastest power supply solution. Fully automatic battery swap in 3 minutes. Faster than refueling. The tech enables automatic battery and electric system checks during each swap to ensure the car and the battery are at their best. The technology is compact, modular design, meaning it is the smallest power swap station in the world, taking up only 3 parking spaces, yet scalable. And it is the first world swap battery. The idea of battery swap was first conceived by Tesla, but did not go through with it. Though battery swap technology involves several processes, like maintenance costs, etc. In my opinion, NIO management will find a way to reduce the cost, or at best maintain it and realize profit. Why am I convinced? Because China is the biggest market in the world for electric vehicles. In another development, the company has created and put in place a power mobile vehicles, which serves as mobile power bank that can be deployed to new customers ASAP and recharge customer batteries in the case of low battery voltage. Again, China government incentive like subsidies to manufacturers who offer swappable batteries is already boosting NIO sales as the only electronic company with battery swap services. Talking about NIO sales, according to NIO website, NIO delivered 10,331 vehicles in the second quarter of 2020, an increase of 190.8% year over year, meaning an increase of 169.2% quarter over quarter. And in June 30th, 2020, a total number of 46,082 ES8 and ES6 vehicles were delivered. Why is this important? At present, NIO is selling cars, unlike some other electric car companies like Lucid and Nikola Motors, who are not in production as at yet. Again, NIO is already delivering vehicles. It is worth to mention that during the production of this video, NIO share price drops due to the news of second waves of the virus in China and sent fear into the market. In my opinion, the stock price will eventually rally. Meanwhile, all NIO cars at present are being produced by JAC Motor, meaning NIO is burning cash and not realizing any profit for now. However, according to NIO management, the company will soon commence the production of its own cars because new car production company is in the pipeline. NIO valuation. As at today, 14,720, NIO market cap is above $15 billion. Note, this number changes every time in accordance to market condition. And in comparison to Tesla cap, which is above $282 billion. And again, let's look at Nikola Motors, who has not sold any vehicle yet and has a market cap of $19 billion. It is therefore not an overstatement to argue that NIO has plenty of room to grow. Again, since IPO in September 2018 at $6.26 per share, and NIO stock has witnessed some rapid decline to say $1.19 per share. The company almost go bankrupt. However, thanks to Tencent, Chinese government and 6 Chinese banks who provided cash to rescue the biggest global startup. Again, the cash incentives enable NIO to quicken the deliveries of his car, thereby making NIO cumulative sales to skyrocket at 46,000 units, as mentioned earlier. NIO plans to continue to dominate the electric car industry in China. So what are the risks and uncertainty concerning NIO Autos? At present, JAC Motors, a Chinese company, manufactures and delivers all NIO Auto, meaning NIO is not making money for every car sold. NIO gross profit margin, net profit margin, and cash flow are negative for now. And because NIO is a new startup, there is fewer data available for a proper fundamental analysis. However, based on speculative analysis and given the ongoing price action at say $14 or $15, I will say it is a good buy. Some have even argued that NIO is presently undervalued. Please do your own research. The future of NIO to me is very secured, more so for long-term investors. Again, the CEO, Lee, stated in a recent interview with Bloomberg that it will not take a decade for NIO to make profit, and also bet that they will have a larger slice of Chinese EV market, which is projected to reach more than 50 million annual sales by 2040. Given all the above analysis about the company, I think NIO is a reality as presented. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.